Mr. Naeem Ahmad is right over here to introduce about the countryside area and about my personal information for this first vlog that we are going to channelize and introduce on Awaz NA channel. So it's the passage basically that is created for passing by sides, and I would certainly give some of this, that is the wheat crop that is grown in different fields. A lot of greenery is right over here. Weather condition is very simple. It's cloudy today, it's not clear, and there are lots of cases of the clouds that are in the sky, and the sky is not so blue as it should be, and as it's normal. It's, I think, a bit dark, and some of the splashes in the fleshes of the gray and the mustard color. Jamun tree is also grown into my house in front of the road or the passage, and that is the exterior part or the posterior part of my home that is constructed right over here. You may notice that the palm tree is also right over there behind my home. You may notice that, and you may see it very easily and clearly, as you may catch up here. So I was talking about the wheat crop that is now going to ripe, and it would soon be ripe, and that would be used as a food for us. So now I am returning to my home, and now you may notice that externally the construction is going on, and the construction is in the process. It's in the pipeline. It's not going to be complete soon, because I have a plan to adjust the verandas or the galleries some more add up to my home. So it's under construction, and the external part of my home, you may notice that. So the tall trees of jamun tree, you may say that are also grown into my internal part of the home. Now I am going to enter into my home. Now this is the main gate. You may notice that main gate. I'm standing in front of my main gate of my home. So please, you are welcome to the home of my countryside area, or the village that is called the Haveli Bata, and it's very famous. Not around the globe I'm talking about. It's fame, especially in the different regions, the peripheries of the Pakistani locale or the Pakistani cities also. It's very famous in the different cities of the Pakistan. Many people visit us, our village, especially off and on. So it's a rubber plant basically. So I'm very crazy about growing different plants and different flowers of different shades, sizes, and different mods. So it's the rose, it's the English rose. That is the white flowers. Two flowers are there, that are fresh one, and one is faded one. So I think these are the garlish grown by my mom, and some mint is over there. So it's the pomegranate tree that is called the anarkali in Urdu. So its color is red, but it's not the dark red one. So these are the flowers that were grown and ripped into the fruits formation, ovary formation. You may also say that in March, especially, it's in full peak and blooming. It's the seasonal one, the flowers that will be forming themselves into the fruits formation. So now it's the another pomegranate tree. You may notice that it's the mulberry plant. Basically, that is also called for giving us the shades in the summer season also. So the jamun are very interesting, and it's a very ripe fruit and nutritious. Hygienically, I'm talking about. It's a very tall one. So that is the under construction process basically, lots of things, bricks and etc. Stuff and material that is skated into my home. These are the other plants. You may notice that, and that are placed, I think, in a bit this way, but it would be arranged soon, inshallah. I'll try my maximum to arrange these plants and flowers. I would try to grow up some more plants to have a good fragrance and a smell too. So please come forward and let me check you out. That is basically bath that is being constructed, especially our mom. This video I certainly dedicate to my mom because she is very hardworking lady, and all the time she is busy on different pursuits and the responsibilities and the commitments of my home and the adjustment and the construction of my home and giving us the very easy and smooth life, very tranquilized life. So she has always provided for us, I mean we four brothers and sisters. So I would like to visit some of the other things. So I think that is on my, that is not the new bike, it's the old one. Since last March I have bought from the Chinook from the market. That is my very natural color. You may notice that it picks me up and I ride it. On that I jump up and I enjoy maximum. It also gives me lots of recreational facility while I drive this kind of bike. You know, may notice that. So, dear guys and fellows and my viewers, it's interesting while I drive this one. It's a very heavy one. It's very smoothly runs on the roads, very plainly like the jets and the aircrafts also. So I'm not mimicking like the Western and the European goras. I'm just giving you the recreational facility and providing you the stuff to make you laugh and smile also, along with the learning and the information and the first vlog. So it's a very natural color, black one, that is very attractive and one of my favorites too, like the black one that I am wearing right now. So it's my favorite bike, and it gave me a lot of strength and energy, and it supported me a lot and helped me out in different ways and distances, covering me up. So it's the mom room that is locked because she is very strict. So that's why this door is maximum locked because she doesn't like to bear extra or excessive interruptions in her personalization. So I was talking about. So I think you may notice that it's the very classical one. It was constructed, this home was constructed basically in at 1998, less or more than that if I remember correctly. So after that it gained the maximum changes and the fluctuations basically that was required to it was not properly mapped it out, but after that it was constructed so in a very natural way that now it's adjusted in a very beautiful way that it becomes very attractive and very superb. So it was the brief history and the story. I have given you the review and the preview of the posterior or the external part of my home. The internal parts are the plants, the different under construction material that is scattered right over here. So that's what I would like to end it up, and I would join you soon, and keep on smiling all the times and keep on praying for all the times, for me especially.